If you are like most learners, you will wait until you're motivated. You plan a big study session, you prepare, and when the time comes, you don't have time. You oversleep, you feel too tired, so you don't do it. That's why motivation is simply not reliable. It comes and it goes. It's like a battery that drains. And if your English practice depends on it, then your English only improves in bursts and then stops. So you may think that you need more motivation by setting great goals so you can keep practicing more. But the fix is to need less of it. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn English learning into a 60-second habit because that's harder to skip than 60 minutes of focused practice. And you may be surprised by how small you can start because yes, 60 seconds can do a lot. So let's talk about the 3 steps you can use to turn English into a habit, into your daily routine. Starting off with step 1, you should attach your English to something you're already doing. It's very simple. Pick something you already do every day. Your morning routine, eating lunch, or reading a book before bed, and add English to it. Now, while you're doing these activities, add English to it by saying 3 sentences out loud. It can be about how you feel, what you're doing, what you're going to do today, or what you really like. Now, the important thing is that you do it during these activities, not before and not after. So, say you're walking to your work and it's a 10-minute walk. You can be talking about what you see, how you feel, what you're going to do at work today while you're walking there. This way, the existing habit carries the new one. So, you don't need extra time to learn English. Just attach it to something you're already doing. Comment down below to what activity you are going to add English, so you can practice every day. Now, step 2 is a counterintuitive one. It is to make it embarrassingly small. Most of you think that you need long sessions of focused English learning if you want to improve your grammar and vocabulary. However, the opposite is true. If you are just starting out with a few sentences out loud every day and turning that into a habit, doing it every day, that is way more useful than 1 hour every week on your Saturday. And more sentences is fine too, but make sure that whatever you decide to do, you can do it every day. Why? Because it's the consistency that counts. You coming back every day to do your English. Also remember that you are not going to build fluency in a day. This takes time. So it is better to build these small habits every day that support your English in the long run. The last step, step number 3. Track the streak, not the quality. Again, this may sound weird because I'm asking you to focus on the quantity, not the quality. Like I just said, English learning is about consistency because it's a marathon, not a 100-meter race. So it is about, have you done English today, yesterday, and are you going to do it the next days? For this step, all you need is one simple question. Did I speak English today? The answer is a yes or no. And if it's no, you still have time. This is the only question that matters when you're just starting out. And of course, the content will help. If you challenge yourself a little bit, that is very important. Now, the reason we don't check quality as much as we track consistency is because quality can vary from day to day. Some days you're just doing worse than other days. You make mistakes, things go wrong, you forget your words, and you will feel like your progress goes down. But the thing is, a bad sentence still counts. You speaking out loud today still counts. Showing up is the whole habit, and this habit will help you improve your spoken English. And those are the 3 steps that you can use to turn English into a daily habit. And some of these may sound counterintuitive, but just give it a try and you will find that you will be improving over the next few weeks just because you started with 1 minute a day. Now find one thing you do every day and decide it right now. What am I going to add English to? Comment it down below and start speaking today. If this helped you, subscribe. And for more free lessons, make sure to keep watching every week.